Pre-intermediate, 15. The evolution of communication. Communication has undergone a massive transformation over the last century. Not too long ago, sending a letter across the world could take weeks, and long-distance phone calls were very expensive. Today, thanks to the internet and smartphones, we can communicate with anyone, anywhere, instantly, and for almost no cost. We can send text messages, share videos, and have high-definition video calls with people on the other side of the globe. This level of connectivity has changed how we maintain relationships, how businesses operate, and how news is reported. However, this rapid evolution also has some drawbacks. While we are more connected than ever, some experts suggest that the quality of our communication has decreased. People often prefer sending a quick message instead of having a deep face-to-face conversation. Social media can also create a sense of artificial connection, where we know what our friends are eating, but we don't know how they truly feel. Additionally, the constant flow of information can be overwhelming and lead to digital fatigue. It's important to remember that while technology is a great tool, it cannot replace the human touch. We must find a way to use digital communication to enhance our lives without losing the personal connections that make us human.